Hey, guess who this is? Blue Glove Man. And this is my first update in forever. And look at this. It is snowing in South Carolina. Amazing. Amazing. I am so impressed with this. The wind's blowing a little bit. It's coming down probably about an inch an hour. Dogs are loving this stuff. Run, dogs, run! Woohoo! Play, play, go nuts! Thought I'd come over here and check out Zanny Goat. He's going, hey man, what's up, Zan? How you doing, Goat? He's going, what the fuck is this shit? You're right, Zan. I see you've been out there playing around in it. This is amazing. Last time we had a snow event like this was in 2010. This is Rex Dog's second big snow like this. Zan goes, you got a treat for me? I do, Zanny. Here you go. Oh, yeah. Thank God for treats, right? And there, oh, there goes Pep Dog. Come on, Peppy. Zoom, 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 zoom. Zoom, zoom, Pep. Zoom, zoom. Zoom, zoom, Pep. Run, Pep, run. Zoom, zoom. Zoom, zoom. Look at old Rex Dog. He's not even playing in it. He's going, oh, this is great. There goes Peppy. Zoom, zooming in the snow. This is amazing. Oh, anyway, like I said, this is Doug, Blue Glove Man, and it's January 3rd. Happy birthday, Jamie. Happy birthday, older brother Dave. And, well, I guess that's it. Look at that. Amazing. Almost whiteout conditions. And that's Doug's, or Blue Glove Man's, breaking news update in this winter wonderland in South Carolina. There goes, look at that dog. Zoom, 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 zoom. Where the hell did she go? Oh, there she is. Oh, zoom, 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 zoom. Jeez. Anyway, that's it, guys. I think. Bye-bye.